Hello, so welcome to the third session of array. We are having the question of complete code. As you can see, it is having the difficulty of medium. So we are given with the integer array called nums, and we need to find the sub array with the largest sum, and just we want the sum to they want us to return the sum. That's all. So how to get the maximum sum of the any subarray? So we'll be checking throughout the array. As you can see, for this input we are having negative elements as well. So it is not that much easy to directly get the sum. So consider this example. In this example, this is the array having the numbers, and if you check out the maximum sum, let's consider these two. So minus 2 and 1, if you just add, is this 1, then add minus 3, it is again not giving us the positive sum. So for the answer we are having 4 minus 1. So this is, see, this sub array up to 1. So if you just add this sub array, you will be getting, see, plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled out. So addition of 4 and 2 will get out, will get us to be a 6. So this is the actual maximum sum, and we need to return. So if you find any sub array that with the sum, you cannot find any sub array inside this array having this sum which is greater than 6. So this is the possible subarray with the highest or the largest sum. Consider this example having a single element. So sum of this subarray is itself that element in the array, that is 1. So for this, the approach that we will be requiring, that is called as the cadence algorithm. What this cadence algorithm is doing here, we'll be understanding, it is having only 2 steps to understand. So we'll be first of all checking the base cases. Consider if the nums is 0 or nums dot length the is 0, that means you are not having any elements in the array or array is empty. We'll be just returning 0 in that case, and the cadence algorithm actually starts here. So what this cadence algorithm is, consider any max, we are having one max sum and we are initializing that with the integers min value. We are having one more variable, that is current sum. To check the current sum, we are having this integer current sum set to 0, and we are having one loop. That loops is running throughout the array entirely. As you can see here, it is going up to the nums dot length, I is less than nums dot length, and we are just updating this current sum value and max sum value. So how to update these two values? As you know already, current sum is set to 0. So we'll be checking the condition, that is math dot max. We'll be considering the maximum value from the array as if it is current sum plus nums of I or nums of I. So minus 2 is highest or 1 plus minus 2 is highest. So what is the highest, that will be considering as a current sum. Similarly, we'll be updating the max sum. As you are knowing the current sum, that is the highest value among until now what we are having, whatever the values that we are having, we'll just update that current sum and max sum. So what is the maximum between maximum sum and current sum? Just take that inside the max sum, and after the overall run of this loop, we are having the value which is highest maximum sum possible in the subarray. So this is the way by which you can directly get the maximum sum, and we can just return that. So this is the maximum subarray sum that we are having. If you just run the question, you will be getting your answer, as it will be checking according to the conditions, and you can see you are getting the perfect output for all these 3 cases. Let's try for the all cases, that is, we'll be submitting our answer, and as you can see we are having our solution is accepted, and this is the solution for this. So in just a quick, what is this cadence algorithm is, you can consider it, this current cadence algorithm like a train of your numbers or the elements, and we are having 2 pointers here, are the 2 initializations, that is max sum and current sum. We are updating those 2 initializations accordingly with the max value all the ways, and the max value for the current sum will be checking that current sum plus nums of I and nums of I, and for the max sum we are checking that from the maximum and maximum, like current sum and maximum, whatever the maximum, just put that inside the maximum. So after the complete run of this loop, we'll be getting the value which is maximum subarray sum. We'll be returning this as the maximum. So thank you so much for this. And as you can see, we are done with this question. See you in the next session with a new question.